Welcome to another video technical update presented by CMS Forex. It is Tuesday, January 5th, 2010. I'm Fan Yang, your technical analyst, and I'll go over some developments in the Forex market. Greenback continues to be in consolidation, so we'll follow up on some US dollar crosses as well as take a look at the pound yen pair. This video is being prepared at about 6 p.m. Eastern Time ahead of the Asian session. As always, we will start with the euro-dollar pair, and today we had a decline after yesterday's bullish candle here. We almost hit 1.45. Looking at the 4-hour time frame, we see that we got to 1.4480, but this is the general resistance area, so the market came down from there. So, we're basically still in consolidation, and until we can break either this support or the flat support, we are not done with consolidation. Now, how far could this go? It could continue to come up to maybe 50% retracement. Right now, it's not even 38.2%. So we'll continue to monitor this pair to see if there could be a further correction to the 50%, or if the market is ready to continue and break our 200-day moving average and continue to hit this 50% retracement, which is 1.38. The pound dollar pair is next, and it's showing a lot more weakness than the euro dollar. Today we had further decline, and our new session is starting with a decline as well. So we basically had hit our 1.62, 62.50 area, and it's coming down. However, this, again, we continue to stalk this correction. It looks like it might be over, but there can always be a possibility of a second leg. And if there is a second leg, you see this projection here from the 61.8% retracement. A second leg would bring it up to about 1.63, 1.6350, and hit this downsloping trend line. There would be a lot of bearish interest. But even at the moment, it looks like the market has slowed its decline, and maybe in the Asian session we might have a rally, and if we do, then we should look for topping action here as it touches this 200 moving average in this 4-hour time frame and this 50% retracement area. All right, so that's the pound dollar pair. We would anticipate some kind of rally, and if it doesn't rally, we would have to see if the market can break below 1.58 area, and that would spell further decline to 1.57. 1.57 is basically the lowest part of our consolidation support here. All right. The US dollar Japanese yen pair has followed what we anticipated as the swing projection to 93 area, 61.8% retracement, and downsloping trend line. So and then right after that we see Harami here, followed by a confirming bearish candle. So looks like there's some dollar weakness here against the yen, at least in the short term, as we anticipated. Looking at the 4-hour time frame, you see here the very short-term power line at 92 is broken, and the market looks to continue this decline in the Asian and European session. Now, if it does continue the decline, it's going to be important to track this pair at the 91 level. Okay. Now the 91 level for this swing is between 50 and 61.8% retracement, and it's also the power line here, the previous high here and here. So that's an important area, and if it shows that the market can support this pair at 91, even though it has broken this trend line, if it supports it at 91, the market is still bullish, and it improves the chances that it will continue to break our resistance here. So again, if the market can be supported at the 91 area, we would be basically in a range mode with a good possibility of breaking above. All right. The Aussie has been a bit stronger than the other pairs during this correction, and you see this correction has been a lot stronger. It's been a retracement and not just a sideways consolidation like the euro dollar or the pound dollar. So here it's broken a very short-term resistance here, but it's also testing a near intermediate term resistance here, and the market looks like it is topping. It's attempting to just top off here. The stochastic is overbought slightly, so we might still have further rally, but it looks like the market is ready for reversal. Now, looking at the 4-hour time frame, we saw that we have been looking at these 2 waves on the rally, and we've been seeing 3 waves on the decline. Here we have also basically two swings. 1, 2. Now each swing can be broken to maybe 2 or different structures, but you can loosely say this is a 2 swing rally, and therefore we may continue to have this structure, which means we are still in a bearish market. Now if the market stays here, tops off here and breaks below our, let's get rid of that first, breaks below this short-term support, let's close on in at 0.91 or 90. If the market breaks below this, then we may have continuation for the decline. Or you could use the counter trend breakout entry approach, which it means when you're in a decline like this and you have a rally that's a correction rally, then you may wait for this trend line to break as a signal for continuation of the previous trend. Okay, so that's a more conservative way, but a more aggressive way is to see a break below 0.91 as a signal for reversal. Alright, and the 0.90 area again is another check for that bearish momentum if indeed the market comes down. See, if the market is supported at 0.9, then there is a possibility of a break above, but if it doesn't, then the market is more likely to continue, and if it is in continuation for decline, we might have this type of this swing projection down to 0.85, maybe even a little bit lower at this 61.8% retracement area. Okay. Finally, let's take a look at the pound-yen pair. We have some bullish action coming up with these higher lows and another higher high, but we were at the 78.6% retracement of this decline, and now the market resisted a rally from there. However, you see in the 4-hour time frame, see the market has been congesting in a triangle, and it broke above. However, it came back down and now it's back to the apex. Now this apex about 146 level. If the market can be supported here and if it can rally, then we have a very possible retest of our 153 area. But if the market is not able to support this pair here, and in the Asian European session instead comes below the 146 area, then we might have a retest of our support down here. So basically, after that, we would be looking for bullish clues down here, and if it comes up here to 153, we would look for bearish clues or topping action here. Alright, so that's the pound-yen pair. That wraps it up for today. Visit fxtimes.com for daily updates and technical and fundamental analysis, as well as educational live events. Once again, I'm Fan Yang, your technical analyst here at CMS Forex, wishing you good trading.